My name is Adetola Adeboale. I'm the lead tailoring consultant. Well, my job is to attract businesses into the company and also come up with strategies to position the business as a 21st century garment manufacturing institution. Okay, the vision is to actually produce sustainable garments, formal, casual, industrial garments. And the mission is the means through which we want to achieve this. So we're investing heavily on technology, on people, and also understanding the market needs. Well, from our name, Wapa means to look good and also be different from others. We are a company that has a multiple competency. Well, if we look at the economy closely, we'll see that we wear mostly Western garments as opposed to local fabrics. And we did a market survey and we realized that one of the things that will make us really be a household name is to produce the things that the market needs. And that has made us a sustainable business over the years. We're going to start a textile factory where we'll be manufacturing cotton, shirt fabrics, polyester, from nylon, and also the jeans you are wearing, the fabric will be made locally. So that's the space we want to key into. Now that there are disruptions in the supply chain in China that feeds the world about 50 to 60% of clothing globally, we want to, at least let's attract between 5 and 10% of that market to Nigeria. So that's part of what you should be expecting from us in another 1 year.